नमस्कार बॉय प्रुडंट खबरो। मायनिंग सुरू करूंक सध्या तरी सरकाराकडेन ठोस कांयच मार्ग ना। लिजाचे पावणेचेय धड ना। हायकोर्टान बावटो दाखयलो म्हूण केले रिन्यूअल, मुख्यमंत्री घालतात कोर्टाचेर। लिजां रिन्यू करपा शिवाय सरकाराक पर्याय नाशिल्लो, रिव्ह्यू मागचो म्हणटा बीजेपी। काँग्रेस म्हणटा पर्रीकारानूच 2012 सावन मायनिंगाचें केलें खणें। जाणकार म्हणटात रिव्ह्यूक वाव दवरिल्लो ना। वीस मोटारसायकल अँब्युलन्सीचे लॉन्चिंग। फर्स्ट रिस्पॉन्स अँब्युलन्सी सुरू करपी गोंय पयले। गोंय भर असले 100 अँब्युलन्सीचे टार्गेट। मुख्यमंत्री हेल्थ मिनिस्टर उलयले। बेहिशोबी मालमत्ते केशीत विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी बाबू गवळेकार अटकपूर्व जामिनाक कोर्टान दिलो अंतरीम जामीन। बाबूक शुक्रारा एसीबी मुखार हजेरीक समन्स। येरादारीक शिस्त लावंक नेम दुरुस्ती विधेयक राज्यसभेत हुमकळ्ळें। पास जावपाची सध्या चिन्ह ना। लाखांनी लोकांचो जीव वता म्हूण तरी पास करात, गडकरीचो विरोधकांक उलो। गोवा वेल्ला प्रायव्हेट मॉर्गावेल्यान लोकांचो बोवाळ। पंचायतीचे स्टॉप ऑर्डरी उपरांतूय चलताले बेकायदेशीर मॉर्ग। निमाणे मॉर्ग बंद करता म्हूण लेखी उतर, लोक थंड। आनी आयएसएलांतल्या टॉप टिमी बरोबर शुक्रारा एफसी गोवाची बेंगलुरूत टेस्ट। मायनिंग सुरू करूंक सध्या तरी सरकाराकडेन ठोस कांयच मार्ग ना। मायनिंग लिजाचे पावणेचे दिशेन सरकार काम करतालो, मात हायकोर्टाचो निकाल पळोवन सरकारान दुसरें रिन्यूअल केलें म्हूण मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकार आतां सांगता। सरकाराक चडांत चड येणावळीचो विचार केल्यार पावणेचो मार्ग आसा, पूण पावणी करतलेच अशें म्हणना आनी करचे नाय म्हणना। गोंयकारांक फायदो जातलो असो पर्याय सोदता म्हूण मुख्यमंत्री सांगता।
सुप्रीम कोर्टान गोयच्या मायनिंगेचेर दिल्ल्या निकालाचेर 24 वरां सरकारान कायदो जाणकारांक घेवन कुता काडून पळयली, मात सध्या तरी गोयच्या मिनेरांनी मायनिंग सुरू करूंक ठोस कसलोच पर्याय सरकारा कडेन ना। मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकाराचो उलोवण्याचो हो सूर।
Consequent to the order, the state will explore all possibilities, including auction, to maximize the revenue of the state. All possible ways, including auction. I am not ruling out auction, but I am also not confirming auction. The decision of Bombay High Court in Litoferro versus State of Goa and Batch giving directions different from those given by this court in Goa Foundation matter is set aside. I think that answers your question. If you see before, the High Court proceeded on an erroneous basis that it could direct the State of Goa to grant a second renewal of the mining leases, notwithstanding the direction in Goa Foundation. So High Court decision, based on that, we took this decision. Otherwise, our policy was moving towards auction. The court has very clearly said that. It only says that a second renewal of the mining lease granted by the state was unduly hasted, and it was based on the revenue of the state, argument that the revenue of the state, which is outside the purview of section 8.3. But I think if I go for auction of the mine, again it will be revenue of the state. So revenue cannot be determined. We went for a second renewal based on the High Court decision. There are multiple options. The earlier leases, which were the outcome of the decision of Bombay High Court, that decision has been set aside. So obviously the leases granted under that particular decision also gets set aside. The rest will be as per law. नवीन एक्टा प्रमाणे ज्यांचे रिन्यूअल जावन ना त्यो 2020 पर्यंत ऑटोमॅटिक एक्सटेंड जाल्ले. So that all legal part I will go into.
नव्या कायद्याप्रमाणे जी लिजा रिन्यू केली ना ती खंय 2020 मेरेन आपोआप रिन्यू जातात.
Now, I have told you that all state is examining all options. Interest of the people of Goa will be protected.
सरकारी तिजोरेक तसो मोठो भय ना. पावणी करप ना करप सगळ्या पर्यायांचेर खंय विचार चल्ला.
As a state, in terms of those who are depending on mining, there is an impact, for which we will try and work out fastest starting of the mining through proper procedure, various options. But state म्हणून फायनान्शियल इम्पॅक्ट साधारण 400 कोटीचो आसत मॅक्सिमम 300 ते 400 कोटी, which we can bear because in 2012 almost 26%. Now it is almost about 4 to 5%.
पयलींच सुप्रीम कोर्टान गेल्ले जाल्यार खंय मायनिंग सुरूच जावपाचे नाशिल्ले. काडिल्ले मीन ई ऑक्शन करून एक्सपोर्ट करूंक 4 पैसे जोडपाचे इतलेच सध्या सरकाराच्या हातान आसा. प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकिक शिलकार आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट ओमकार फळारी.
बीजेपी मंडळ लीज रिन्यू केल्याशिवाय सरकाराकडेन ते परिस्थितीत पर्याय नाशिल्लो म्हूण ताकतिकेन मायनिंग चालू केलें. सरकारान रिव्हिवाक वचूंक जाय. काँग्रेस म्हणटा 2012 सावन मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकारानच देड शाणेपण करून मायनिंगाचे खळे घाला. प्रुडंटाच्या डिबेटांत जाणकारांनी कोर्टाच्या निकालाचो किस काडलो. कायदो जाणकार म्हणटात लिजां वा कन्सेशनाच्या वादाक खंडपीठान वावूच दवरिल्लो ना. रिव्हिवाक आनीक वाव ना.
If you see the journey as opposition leader and PAC chairman to now as he being the chief minister, I feel that he has basically done a mess of the mining industry. असल्या तरेचे जे 25,000 कोटी आणि कितें म्हणजे राजकारणा खातीर तो जे कितें ताणें केलें तें ताका आज म्हारग पडटा.
आज 89 लीज रिन्यू केल्ले आम्ही त्याला डिमांड केलो गव्हर्नमेंटाकडे. रिझन इज बिकॉज इफ दॅट ऑक्शन पॉलिसी वॉज इम्प्लिकेटेड देन इट वुड टेक अ लॉंग प्रोसेस. रॉयल्टी, अदर स्टॅट्युटरी पर्पज आर बीइंग डन.
You take a stand before the High Court in the Litho Ferro case, which is recorded by the Supreme Court, that it will be only, we are only going to allow fresh leases and not renewals. What was the change of heart or mind? And the Supreme Court also took note that while this was only a draft policy, before it even could be actually implemented or finalized, certain paragraphs of it were deleted and it was acted upon without even having been finalized. Now this is clearly arbitrary, and this vitiates Article 14.
It is not just haste, but it is the haste with this arbitrariness that is creating the point of law.
अख्खे देशभर आता लीज ऑक्शन जाता. कितले ऑक्शन जाले आणि कितले चालू जाले म्हाका सांगच्यो ना. हांव तुका डिटेल दिता नेक्स्ट ऑक्शन कित्याक म्हणजे ना आज सडनली जाले. देर आर हार्डली एनी लीजीस टेकन बाय एनी कंपनी for see what is the basis of auction. You have to have data. If you are acting a 67 acre or 61 hectare lease, what is below that surface right, what is above everybody can see, what is below who can see.
State government of BJP led by Manohar Parrikar 2012 गव्हर्नमेंट कोणाचे आशिल्ले. 2017 म्हणसर आज म्हणसर कोणाची सरकार आहा. आणि तू म्हाका सांग मायनिंग पॉलिसीचो प्रिल्यूड आसा पळय तो तू सारखे काँग्रेस टेन्युरूच काडटा 2006 to 2012. what you are trying to show that you are one washed in milk. Everybody knows what you have done. अरे त्यो काणयो सांगता पळय बीजेपी वाले ते दे आर इन फुल पॅराडाइज.
This matter is now pending before the, naturally because some conflicting views, it has gone to a larger bench of 9 judges.
Correct.
But my respectful submission is that finally at the end of the day we look at the constitutional framework. Right to property is no longer fundamental right.
आता सरकार किती करपा सोदता ही परिस्थिती आसा. आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट सांगता की तुमकां ऑक्शन करचे पडटले. Clearly सांगला की now you have to decide it as per the MMDR.
Government has to go against its judgment to another bench. Supreme Court to the next higher bench. See, तुका सांगता बस. See, let us see.
You are going for a review.
Yes, we have to go for the review. It has to be done.
Supreme Court rarely reviews its own judgments because Supreme Court generally is the last court, and it's not like every day like you change a shirt you change a judgment of the Supreme Court. And it rarely accedes to a request for review. There could have been a scope. Probably there could have been scope by saying that the challenge to the Abolition Act is pending.
Yeah.
But Supreme Court has snubbed that or nipped that at the bud by including it in this judgment and directly rejecting it and saying that that means they're conscious of it and
still they have taken
we are
this judgment.
rejecting it. Therefore, this will not be the ground for it.
give a commercial break.